Red flags at Port Authority of Jamaica. Auditor General reveals employers got golden handshakes with pensions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, public health and environmental concerns at St. Mary attraction. More revelations from TVJ's access to information requests.
More fuss over cost of Jamaica 50 celebrations.
A third candidate in the race for chairmanship of the St. Andrews Southern constituency.
In the business day, the latest petrol prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What is your reaction to the Auditor General's special report which shows senior employees at the Port Authority benefiting from generous pension schemes?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after the break.